Welcome everyone to beginner rebounding, cardio, and Pilates core. 15 minutes start to finish. Angie Fitness TV, feet hip width apart, shoulders set back down and away from your ears, core tight. 2 minutes in that health bounce. Right here, 2 minutes in that health bounce. Let's start rolling the shoulders back. The backs of your hand touches the top of your forehead. Feet evenly distributed, hip width apart. Don't roll onto the outside of your foot. Don't roll onto the inside of your foot. Make sure you evenly distribute the weight between your right and your left foot and legs. Right here. Don't put too much pressure on your heels or too much on your toes. Evenly distribute the weight between both feet. Feel free to wear your tennis shoes or wear your grippy socks or no socks at all. Beginner friendly, modify. Always come back in this health bounce if you need to. Okay, let's begin circling the arms in and out. We're gonna hit some Pilates core and rebounding cardio. Simple, basic, easy to follow. As long as you listen to your body, use your stability bar when you need to. It's all good, people. 60 seconds each exercise. You go at your timing, your pace. Right now we're just saying good morning, good afternoon to our body. We're warming our body up, getting it ready for further movement, chest tall and proud. Start taking your feet off the rebounder. Let's do chest press, in and out. Again, if the arm movements are too much, hands on your hips. If taking your feet off the rebounder is too much, stay in that health bounce. Up to you. Yeah. First part of class, cardio rebounding. Go as fast or as slow as you need to go. Your workout, your body. Keep going. I got something on my foot that's hurting me. Woo. All right, out and in. Now let me show, for those of you that want, right here. Okay, or out, in. Do one on the right, step it in, one on the left, step it in. That's an alternative right there. Or right here, or right here. Your choice. Very basic moves. Do what you can. Go back into the health bounce. Anytime you need that active recovery. All right? All right, come in the center. Again, this is good. You don't have to do anything else if you don't want to. We're gonna ski right here. Running man arms. Now, if you're okay with this, stay here. Again, you cannot bounce. You can tap 1 foot, 1 foot. Right here. You can tap, all right? Or right here, your call. Your feet are on a railroad track. Feet are on a railroad track. Evenly distribute the weight between both feet. Let's go. Working it. Land nice and even on your foot. Don't roll out or in. Core tight. Shoulders set back. Come in the center, bounce. This is where you always go. when you need that recovery. Take it. Take that recovery. Right here. Let's go into little runners. So your heels are coming off. Right here. Little running. These are our little runners. Have your thumb touch your shoulder. Little runners. Now, if I'm new, I would lift, lift, lift. I would not bounce. If the bounce is too much, look, you just don't add the bounce. If you can add the bounce of that rebounder, add the bounce. Your thumb is touching your shoulders. And you're taking your heels off. It's a little bounce with it. From here, we're gonna lift the knees. We're still touching our shoulders with our thumbs from the side. Now watch, if I don't wanna bounce, I just lift. I take that bounce and that quick movement out of the way. I just don't do it. Or your call, you guys. Go as quick or as slow as your body is going to tell you go. Look, you don't have to jump. You can go as slow as you want. Work on that balance, guys. Take your time. Your body was not built in one day. It takes time to develop this strength. I've been doing it for 20 years. Woo, bounce in the center. Catch your breath. Are you ready? Little tuck jumps. Now let me show you. Lifting the knees up. Focus on the bounce up. Now if you don't like tuck jumps, you can just little jumps. Little jumps. Like this, little jumps. Or focus on the bounce. Another one. Feet hip width apart. Act like you're gonna explode and bounce. But you're right here, like you're gonna explode. That's a good way, hands here. And explode. Now tuck jumps, right here. Many options, many variations. You're driving your elbows to your knees. Health bounce. So again, you guys are in your health bounce. Option. Preparing, hands on your stability bar. You're acting like you're sitting back, getting ready to explode. Explode. Sit back. Try a little explode. Or just sit back. Good start. All right, you're in that health bounce. We got to go to Pilates. Deep breath in. Nice exhale. Open and close those doorknobs. Right here. You have doorknobs to the side. Woo! While our heart rate is coming down, let's open and close the doorknobs. Right here, they're out to the side. Pop your head out of that turtle shell. I gotta make sure that heart rate is down. We're gonna go onto our mat of our rebounder, people. Are you ready? All right, let's go in and out. Right here. I wanna make sure that heart rate is down. Just a little bit. Elbows squeeze back. And then away to the diagonal corners. Evenly distribute the weight in your feet. All right, 2 more. And then we're gonna lay down. I think that heart rate's down. Right, nice time to hit the core. So, everyone, palms down, splash water. We're gonna inhale for 5 and exhale for 5. If you've been doing Pilates for a while, straight legs, beginners, your heels are on the frame, just like this. Inhale 5, exhale 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 1. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 2. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 3. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, and release. Again, your upper body can be rested. You could be splashing. You can have your heels on the frame. Again, eye gaze to the belly button. Shoulders off the mat. 5 more. Here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 2. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, and release. Good job. Okay, so my head is on the frame and my heels are on the frame. What we're gonna do, put your knees on the frame. We're gonna roll up, fingertips to the ceiling. Looks like this, roll up, and then we're gonna roll down. Okay, arms right by your ears. 4, 3, ready, here we go. Roll up, 2, hold, here, down, 2, come up again, lift, hold, back extension, down, and again, lift, fingertips by your ears, work your back extension, core tight, so we're coming up, lifting our fingertips, taking it back down to the frame, rolling it down, 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 more, core nice solid tight, shoulders melted away from your ears, hands do not go behind your ears. You don't want to put undue pressure on that rotator cuff. Woo! Good job. Bring your knees into your chest right here. We're going to pull in for 2, other leg for 2, in for 2, other leg for 2. 8 sets. Are you ready? Ready? Here we go. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 1. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 2. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 3. Move through wet cement. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 4. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 5. Inhale, inhale, exhale, 6. Core nice, solid, tight. Inhale, move through that wet cement. 1 more. Inhale, inhale, and exhale. Rest your upper body anytime you need to. All right, you're gonna visualize you're super gluing your forehead to your knees. Hands are by your ears, you have a top hat. You're gonna take off your top hat, super glue your heels, and then fingertips touch your elbow, touch your heels, fingers touch your heels. Rest your head for a minute. We're gonna go out for 2 and in for 2. Take the top hat off, touch your heels, 1. Take the top hat off, touch your heels, 2. Take the top hat off, touch your heels, 3. Take the top hat off, touch your heels, 4. 4 more. Top hat comes off, touch your heels, 5. Top hat off, touch your heels, 6. 2 more. Top hat off, touch your heels, 1 more. Top hat comes off, and touch your heels. Woo, good job, you guys. Time to stretch. We only have 1 minute left. Circle your ankle. You can pick a leg, any leg. Nice, quick class. Pick that other leg, point, flex, and circle. I am so proud of you today. Woo, cardio and Pilates core. Okay, grab behind your legs, rock and roll up. Look over one shoulder, spinal rotation. Look over that other shoulder. One more time, twist, rotate, and twist, rotate. Stand up, touch your toes. Let's stretch out the back side of your body. Evenly distribute the weight between your feet. Right here, put a soft bend in between both knees. Hands on top of your thighs. Roll it up. Give me a little quick chest expansion. Feet hip width apart. So very proud of you today. Deep breath in. and exhale. We are done. My name is Angie, Angie Fitness TV. I'll see you for our next workout together. Guys, I have a leaps and rebounds bungee style rebounder. I absolutely love it. Highly affordable. I have a 10% discount coupon below. Doesn't matter your style of rebounder, but if you're looking for a bungee style, highly affordable, and I'm going to get you 10% off. See you for our next rebounding class.